there muscle car fans, welcome again to Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. Today we're going to show you this amazing 1965 Chevy Impala SS. And it's not just any Chevy Impala, it's an L78 big block car, which in 1965 was a very special engine, very low production, very little produced from these cars, and they had 425 horsepower. That's approximately the same amount as the later 427 cars, the 427 SS. But in 1965 the 396 L78 was the biggest, baddest engine you could get. That in combination with the manual 4-speed transmission makes this car very, very fast and great fun to drive. We're going to show you details about the car in the video. You can also go online and see all the pictures of the car, because it's a very special car. It's been completely restored inside and out. You can also see underside pictures of this car on our website. And it's a beautiful combination of red with a red interior, which also makes it pretty rare. It's got lots of special details. As you can see, the car now sits on aluminum wheels. As you can see, they look awesome on the car, but we also have still got the original 15-inch original wheels and tires with the car. It's also possible to drop the car a little bit more if that's to your personal likings, but the stance that it has this way means you can either drive it with these wheels but also with the original wheels, which might be important if you need like German TÜV or something else, because then the car is fully original. Well, we're going to show you a little drive around the shop and some more little details about the car itself. Thank you so far. One of the other features this car has is it's got a true bucket seat interior. Normally these Impalas, they had a bench seat with maybe column shift, but this car is equipped with factory bucket seats. The SS floor console, as you can see, around the 4-speed shifter, which has the clock built in and the SS emblem. And also the dashboard is a true SS version, because it's got also the built-in tacho. Everything here has been restored to factory as new condition. You can see the carpet is in fantastic condition. The seats are just as new. The seat belts are, well, they are new. You can also see inside the doors, the door jamb. Everything has been restored perfectly. It's got these new, the Fisher door emblems. And of course, beautiful, beautiful door panels. The SS had these special trims on them with the SS emblem. And all these hinges are completely in as new condition without any pittings on them. And also the inside of the door, as you can see, has been correctly restored. And the hinge has been taken out during the paint, which really means that this car was restored very nicely. If we go to the front of the car, of course here again the emblems for the SS, same as in the grille, in the front of the grille. Didn't know if you showed it just yet. Here is of course well, one of the nicest features on the car, the true L78 SS big block with over 425 factory horsepower. The decal says 375, but that's because it's incorrect. but you couldn't buy the 396 with the 425 horsepower emblems anymore. But it should be on that there originally. As you can see, everything here has also been restored. The complete suspension, all the bushings, all the lines, the power steering has been restored. All the brakes are new, all the brake lines are new, the wiring has been completely redone. And the engine also is completely rebuilt, same as the Muncie 4-speed. This car really drives well, it shifts great. It's all still brand new, so it needs a little driving and settling. But it's a fantastic car to drive. It's also pretty fast, you can believe that, with the 425 horsepower. So all in all, what you got here is not just any Impala. First it's a 65, then it's an SS. It's a true L78 engine transmission car, and it's just in awesome condition. You need to see the pictures online of the underside of this car, because it's just like it came from the factory yesterday. Well, if you want more information, like I said, just go online to our website, www.pedaltothemetal.nl, or also pttmgarage.com, and you can find all the information, the price of the car, and lots of more pictures. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.